Hello everyone, happy Sunday. So I have a Daiso haul that I bought some items, and the first one I got is the liner for the purse. This one cost 200 yen, is $3.25, and the size of the bag and the size of the lining 22 centimeter long. This one has the button on the side to expand. There are two pockets, and then there are 4 mesh pockets. It's the same on this side. Well, this one has only 2 pockets and then 2 mesh pockets. And then inside it has 2 handles, 2 loops, and a zipper pockets. I can show later to see that it fits in my purse that I got from Costco. And I also try on 2 purses, the LV. It's more like a square, and Chanel medium classic bag. It fits the length, so this is very convertible. And then I got the non-slip sheet. This one was $1.75. Here's the size, 70 centimeter by 80 centimeter. Convert to inches is 27.6 by 31.5. I got the spatula for the rice. This one has the cat. It says meal. Rice paddle. This one I believe it can stand and by itself. There you go. And then I bought dehumidifier. It's to absorb the moisture in the air. This one costs only $1.75. Pretty good deal. And I got a strainer. This one I was thinking to use for matcha powder. It's $1.75 also. And I can use for another strainer the hot liquid. It's a multi-purpose. I also get the shoestring adjuster. It has 4 buttons and 4, I believe, the stopper of the shoestring. Here it goes. This one also $1.75. And on the back it show you the instruction on how to tie the shoe with the shoestring adjuster. Last but not least, I purchased tissue box hanger. This one also costs $175. Back seat storage bag. Well, you can put anything in here, but it fits the tissue box, the one that you can put on top, like a square. And let me show you the lining that fits in my purse. Oopsie. So what's in my bag? So I bought this one at Costco. It has a front pocket. You can flip it down or slip it up with the zipper. Inside has the 2 mesh pockets and a zipper in the back. And this one, it fits the length. So let me take out my things in the purse. So here it goes. It fits snugly into my purse. Just need the liner. I can put on the wallet. And I bought this one from Lululemon. This one doesn't have a pocket, it's just a zipper. And then I put in here I use for the keys. And I put next to the wallet. I have my flashlight I got from 99-cent store, and I can put it in the bag. Slip. What else? So I have this one. I can put in the zipper. Have the lining. Yep. I also have the hand sanitizer. I can put in the liner pockets. There it goes. Let's see if I can bend it down. Yep. Fits. There's the back pockets. Oh, and Daiso will open another store. And the first 100 customers receive exclusive goodie bag with $30 purchase on August 10 and August 11. The store opened at 9 and the location is at 6711 Westminster Boulevard, Westminster, California 92683. Let me turn this around. Just a barcode to online store. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a good day.